Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am Rihab and I am Fatma Zulfkar. We study in class 8 and our school's name is 8GS. Today our topic is he should crack the whip. So let's get started. Fatima, why are you down in the dumps? Rihab, Taiba has spoiled all our plans. I was going to take a few days of work, but he turned down my request on the pretext of a due deadline, and that they cannot do without me for the time being. You are kidding. If your sister heard that, she would hit the ceiling. He must step in and put a stop to Taiba arrogance. She is company's honor. After all, he should crack the whip. Now take a closer look on some keywords. The first word is down in the dumps. It means discouraged, depressed or sad. And the next word is you are kidding. It means you cannot be serious. And the other word is put a stop to. It means to cause to end. And the fourth word is hit the ceiling. It means to go crazy. And the last word is turn down. It means to refuse someone's request. Thanks.